Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, lines here, all colors are not coming properly. It is not printing properly. This Canon G3411. So how to resolve this issue? As you have to open this one, only this cover, and you will notice that all colors are not coming in all pipes. As you can see, only two colors are coming here in our pipes. So how to solve this issue? Just close it again and then turn on your printer, and then after that just press 10 times this plus button, and then the color copy, this color button, and it will start maintenance and cleaning of your head, and it will take around 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes to clean your head. So after that it will be resolved. Remember this again, 10 times this plus button and then this button, color button. So after that it will start automatic auto maintenance. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.